Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I call this my Jamaican infused red beans and rice. You know, in Jamaica we have the stew peas, which is the pigtail with the kidney beans and coconut milk. Well, here I have smoked turkey, the sausage, and I added the spinners like we do with our stew peas, the dumplings, and I also added some coconut milk. And again, this is my Jamaican infused red beans and rice. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for visiting my channel. If you haven't already done so, I appreciate a lot. A subscribe, like, comment, and sharing help me to grow. Thank you for watching. From my kitchen to yours. Have a blessed and highly favored life. Love you. Bye.